Dave?
He prides himself as being the jeweler to the stars, but tonight Joseph DuMouchelle is being called a criminal after being charged in connection to a multi-million-dollar fraud scheme. Our Jim Kurtzner is following it all live from DuMouchelle's Birmingham location. Jim, what have you learned tonight?
Dave, he still has his store up here on the second floor, but in federal court in downtown Detroit, he told the federal magistrate judge he plans to hire his own defense attorney for this case, but there's some question if he has the money. He was given a public defender. Question tonight is DuMouchelle in over his head?
The complaint paints a picture that he's moving stuff around.
Joseph DuMouchelle touts himself as carrying on the legacy family name into the fourth generation. Also on his website, a picture with Aretha Franklin, and that he sold jewelry owned or worn by Nat King Cole, Marla Maples, former wife of President Trump, and Elizabeth Taylor. But were those in better times?
He bounced some checks. He represented that he had more money than he did.
Now the feds have accused DuMouchelle of wire fraud, alleging he owed and stiffed clients, including a deal in which he could buy a $12 million yellow rose diamond that he said he could sell for $16 million and split the profit 75-25, with the client getting the larger amount. The center cut diamond weighed 77 carats. That came about when he owed that client $430,000 and wrote him a check that bounced. That client came to the feds in May, which opened the investigation. His shop in Birmingham is still here, but the door was locked and no one was minding the store. He also has stores in New York and Florida. In court, it was revealed he recently filed for bankruptcy protection and has several suits against him. A former federal prosecutor says a new criminal complaint is not a slam dunk.
If the feds have the goods, they indict you. If they don't have the goods, they file a criminal complaint. They see what evidence that they can shake loose, either from the person they've complained or from other people, and they'll either dismiss the complaint in 30 days or they'll indict you.
Now, this is a complex case, so we put it on our website, WXYZ.com. Tonight, DuMouchelle is out on unsecured bond with restrictions. He's set to be back in court on December the 5th, and if convicted, he's facing up to 20 years in prison. Live in Birmingham, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
Jim, thank you for the live report.